Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can turn yourself into Lily from the new Disney movie Jungle Cruise. I've been so excited to see this movie ever since Disney first announced it, and it makes me really excited to see what direction Disney is going with creating live action movies based off of their theme park rides, because we already have Haunted Mansion and now we have Jungle Cruise, and I heard rumors that we were supposed to get something inspired by Hollywood Tower of Terror, so that would be really cool. Although the Tower of Terror is already inspired by Twilight Zone, so I'm not quite sure where they would go with that. Once again, it was just rumors, but I still think it'd be really cool. So anyways, with that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can turn yourself into Lily from Jungle Cruise, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so to get started, I'm going to be priming my face with my Buckle Bunny Beauty Sheer Perfection Primer. So I'm going to be applying that all over my face before going into my Becca Under Eye Highlight and applying this to the bags under my eyes because I look like I haven't gotten enough sleep. And I really like how this just brightens the area around my face. But to go in a little bit more, I'm going to be taking my Milani Supercharged in the color 120. And this is going to help bring a little bit of warmth back to that, since the other color is a little bit too much of a pale nude. This really just kind of helps balance everything out. Next, I'm going to be taking my MAC Strobe Cream and I'm going to be applying this to my cheekbones just to kind of help illuminate my foundation a little bit more. And the foundation I'm using today is my KVD Good Apple Foundation in the color 027. I'm going to be applying that all over my face with my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Foundation Brush. Next, I'm going to be taking my Buckle Bunny Beauty Cream to Powder Foundation in Mocha and applying this to the areas that I want to contour. So this is going to be my cheekbones, my forehead, and my nose, and then just going ahead and lightly blending this out. Now I'm going to be taking my Tarte Creaseless Concealer and applying this to the places that I now want to highlight. So this is going to be under my eyes, my forehead, and under my cheekbones before making sure to go ahead and blend this out as well. I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my Airspun Translucent Powder before moving on to brows, where I'm going to first start off by taking my NYX Brow Pencil in Espresso and just going ahead and lightly filling in my brows. I want to keep them looking natural, but I still want them to define my face. For my next step, I'm going to be taking my Buckle Bunny Beauty Loretta Brow Pomade and I'm going to be sweeping this through the arch of my brow and then topping all of this off with my Benefit Brow Setter Brow Gel. Next, I'm going to be taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and just applying this to the areas that we applied our cream contour. So this is going to be my cheekbones, my forehead, and my jawline before moving on to blush. I'm going to start off by applying my ColourPop Matchmaker blush to my cheeks and then going in with my Whole 9 Yards blush to add a little bit more rosiness. For my highlight, I'm going to be taking my Revlon Skin Highlight Prismatic Highlighter in Daybreak Glimmer and just applying that to my cheekbones before moving on to eyes. I'm going to be taking my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer and applying that to my eyelids before taking my ColourPop Disney Designer It's a Princess Thing palette, taking Chip, and applying that all over my eyelids. I'm then going to be going into Triton and starting at the outer corner of my eye, I'm going to be creating a soft V and blending that into the crease. And I'm also going to be blending this color down to my lower lash line as well. And then of course I'm going to be taking a clean brush just to make sure I don't have any harsh lines. I'm going to be using my Revlon highlighter for my brow bone. I'm going to be placing this right under my eyebrows before going into my ColourPop Wild Nothing palette, taking No Bounds, and I'm going to be applying this to the outer corner of my eye and softly blending it in towards the inner corner of my eye, and once again applying that down to my lower lash line. I'm going to be taking my KVD Beauty Tattoo Liner in Mad Max Brown and just creating a very soft and subtle brown wing on my eyelids. We don't want this to be too distracting. We just wanted this to elongate our eyes and help blend in whenever we apply our false eyelashes. We're going to prep our eyelashes by curling them before taking our Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just sweeping this through our upper and lower eyelashes. The eyelashes I chose for this look are my Kiss number 11 lashes because these are very natural looking and I feel like they don't take away from the look. For my lips, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Curve 2 and just going ahead and outlining my lips before going into my ColourPop Liquid Lipstick in the color Echo Park, and I'm going to be applying this all over my lips. Since we're going to be journeying into the jungle, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. setting mist to set all of this makeup. Now you can stop there, but I'm going to be creating some dirt and scratches on my face just to make this look a little bit more like she does in the movie. So I'm going to be taking a black coarse sponge and some black and brown body paint. You can of course use eyeshadow if that is more accessible to you. And just using this, I'm just going to be dragging this across my face, and this is going to create some realistic dirt streaks. And that is my completed Lily character makeup from the new Disney Jungle Cruise. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. Also, if you haven't already, please consider supporting me on Patreon. You can support me for as little as $1 a month and see all new behind the scenes sneak peeks before anybody else on my channel. This will also have polls for upcoming Halloween characters that you would like to see, and of course some tips and tricks as well. So that would mean a lot to me if you guys would consider doing that. But of course, you just watching my video means the world to me as well. If you would also like to, YouTube has this new option where you can tip the creator for the video. So if this video helped you, feel free to leave a tip. If you are on a desktop, it will be right under the video with a heart and a dollar sign, and it says thanks, and you can leave a comment with that as well. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And with all that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!